I love using the eQube product because we're able to plug and play our integrations. We have connectors that we can connect to multiple PLM systems and then also downstream. So it makes it easy to get up and running in a quick manner. Also, eQube is very easy to work with. They're always a partner with us. When we need new requests, they come in and they help us out with those in a very timely manner. So we appreciate the partnership with eQube. The team that we work with is great. We have weekly calls with the eQube team. We stay on top of all of our priorities, and they're easy to work with. So we really appreciate that. Experience at this conference has been amazing. It's a great facility. The food was amazing. All the in the knowledge room, they shared information about new technologies coming out. Looking forward to a number of those, specifically around AI. So great convention. Appreciate it. Go eQube.